It's such a nice sunny day to be farming. Love it when it's like this. So nice. So it is the end of September and we're bringing the lambs in today to worm them, and a few of the sheep seem to be itching, scratching, biting, so we think they must have got some sort of midge or lice. So next week we'll be bringing them in to spray them. We're having it done professionally this time, as last time we did it 3 times and wasn't very successful. You can see on a few sheep where the wool is hanging off. That's a sign that they've been scratching. Mabel. She's so beautiful. It's little shorts on today. I definitely feel like it is shorts weather. Even at the end of September. So here's an example of a scraggy lamb. Here's little D. Doris? Doris, don't eat that. We are doing today.
Well, today it's a lovely autumn morning and we're giving the lambs a dose of wormer and then moving on to fresh pasture. But hopefully we're trying to grow some of these store lambs on a little while, and because the trade's been very disappointing so far, and we're not got a lot of grass, but it has just freshened up since the rain's come, so we'll just take it from there.
There we go, guys. So when we bring them in, all of the tame ones tend to come forward. So that's Willow and 51, and their lambs, all friendly. Hey, you're a nibbling one. Here's Mabel, the most beautiful sheep in the whole world. Look at her eyes. So here we have a pen full of lambs, all shapes and sizes.
Where's your new bottle?
Ready to be wormed.
Well, I mean, lamb, I guess, earlier, and it's all cleared up anyway. Have you sprayed it, Joe?
I'm going to do it now.
Right, this one. Let's see. Are you coming through?